So this is not a X challenge. This is actually a fake bitch challenge. And I'm reading off the computer, so yeah. Way back as a youngin', I would only hang around my cousins. Bitches ain't like me. They wanted to fight me. Shit, it was nothing. Knowing I was better than that, I fell back off hoes. I was giving them slack. I was focused on me, trying to run up a check, but y'all testing the water, so I gotta relax. Look, I'm a red-nosed pit bull, and I was raised by big wolves. We come around trying to fan shit down, you an itty-bitty fish in a big pool. Bitch, what you wanna be for? Whole hood, no, I don't talk, I beat hoes. Crawl one fist, crab one Debo. But I'ma spaz one time for the beat, though. Knew a bitch named Nene. She would only call me on payday. Tryna smoke my weed, tryna share my clothes, tryna befriend my foes. She was so fake. Knew a bitch named Key. She was fucking with my nigga on the low-low. So I cut her ass off, can't lie, I was hurt cause the shit was a real low blow. And that's why I ride solo. Dolo for the bitches that don't know. One deep, same me every week, and my heart bout cold. It's a motherfucking froyo. Knew a bitch named Shan. She was always eyeballing my man. Found out the little thought, gave my niggas some top. These bitches are not your friends. Knew a bitch named Angie. Protected her ass for my life. BFFL, we went through hell and back like the hoe was my wife. She thought I was fucking her nigga. She might be right and she might be wrong, but I play along to the games that you playing, little bitch. I can't wait till you hear this song. I swear you bitches hate me. Y'all don't mind cause that don't faze me. Y'all go crazy, swipe game shady. I made all they niggas chase me. Real shit said, I get bread. I go hard and I ain't scared. You could sip up on that tea, but don't you take it to the head. Yeah.